Your parents left the house and you found your mom's purple lightsaber inside a box in your parents' room and wondered why your dad was limping earlier in the morning.
Mr. Krabs, start digging in your butt.
You tell your mom and she asks if you knew what was inside. You said no. You grab the box and open it to get the toys inside. You saw a purple lightsaber, pink cuffs, and red rope. As you heard your parents' car horn outside, you quickly placed everything back to how you first saw it. She asks what else you saw. You say you saw another box labeled as Home Movies. It was a brown box, it was made of cardboard. It had a digital camera and 3 other SD cards labeled Invading the Trench, Black Tail Whack, and Interdimensional Rifts. Your dad hears this and explains they used to be actors and were stars in movies that had millions of viewers worldwide.